All right, everyone. Happy Friday. Meteorologist Mike Shaver here, coming to you with your Friday and weekend video forecast here, where today everything's looking pretty good for most of us. There's a very slight chance of a morning shower in northeastern PA today, but for the most part, most of us are going to see partly to mostly sunny skies. A little bit cooler than what we saw yesterday. Temperatures today in the 60s and 70s. Some of us getting close to 80 down in southeast PA and possibly near Pittsburgh as well, but and it will feel a little bit cooler as we're starting to get away slowly from that July-like weather. That's because we have a little bit of a northerly wind today that's bringing in some cooler air to the region. Again, not incredibly cool. We'll still see temperatures above average for this time of year, but those northerly winds helping us out just a little bit with that today. As we head into your first day of the weekend, Saturday is where we start to see a little bit more of a warm-up again. Temperature is going to be in the 70s, some of us in the 80s, most likely, as the warm sector of our next cold front, or I should say the warm front of our surface cyclone, that'll bring our next cold front that comes through in the evening Saturday and into Sunday, and that's where everything gets dropped off completely. You could say goodbye to July for quite a while. I don't think we're going to be very warm anytime soon. But with that warm sector, before that cold front comes through, we'll see gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour, even after the cold front, probably into Sunday. It's, again, a little bit on the breezy side, so having loose items in your yard, you might want to secure them Saturday just in case we do have some of those stronger wind gusts, even though it's not expected to be anything major. Here we are. Here's our fronts, 8 p.m. on Saturday. This is where you start to see that cold front come through, denoted here by the blue line with the triangles here. And this is where this front comes in, and it'll bring more showers and storms, possibly some strong in western PA and maybe even portions of central PA. Be keeping an eye on that over the next day here or so. I'll get an update on that for you later today. And I'll investigate and see whether I think severe weather is possible, which it will be possible. But this is the official end to the warm weather. Once this front comes through, we won't be seeing 70s for a little while here, especially because that cold front comes through and we're going to see high pressure take control, and we're entering a pattern where your North Atlantic oscillation is going to be going negative. You're going to see a little bit of a wind reversal way up in the stratosphere. A little bit of polar vortex winds possibly, and you get a little bit of cold air from that. So we're kind of entering this pattern where it's going to be colder, and that really starts with Sunday night and Monday night, where we're going to see temperatures dip into the 20s and 30s here. So Sunday and Monday nights are going to be frost and freeze nights. What I mean that is, have any plants? You've planted a little early this year. I mean, I would too. It's been warm. But these are going to be nice to bring those plants inside and cover them up. It's going to be cold, especially in the northern tier. Sub-freezing temperatures are likely. Probably not in the southern half of the state, but we're keeping an eye on the northern half of the state there. Near certainty Sunday and Monday night for temperatures to be below freezing. So we're keeping an eye on that. And with that being said, the warmer weather is almost over for you cool lovers fans, or cool weather lover fans. Again, but the warmth will be back eventually. We'll track that hopefully within the next couple weeks here. But as we head into May, it looks a little cooler. I want you guys to have a great weekend, and this is meteorologist Mike Javer signing out for now. We'll have an update for you on the severe weather threat later today.